ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋರು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇವಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ತಂತ್ರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಕ್ಕೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತೆ ಚರ್ಚೆಗಳು, ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆಗಳು, ಈ ಥರ ಅತಿ ಉನ್ನತ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಟು ದ 5th edition of Converge. I thought that I would speak the rest of my keynote in Kannada itself, but don't worry about it. Although, in this age of AI, I don't think that's going to be too much of an issue for most of you to follow along. Because we are living in a very remarkable moment. This is a moment where we are not just stepping into the future. The map itself is being redrawn as we are already on the journey. The theme, of course, is all about how AI is transforming the entire set of industries. And nowhere is that map being drawn faster, bolder, and more visibly than in retail. The way in which people discover, the way in which they buy, the way in which they receive goods, all of this is evolving as quickly as the technology itself. Now, over the last couple of years, we have seen a race to deploy agentic systems into everything, every corner of every business, across functions. Now, many organizations have seen wins in solving very specific problems. But too often, the focus has been very narrow. So urgent has been the focus that we have missed sort of the bigger question. The question is this: how does solving one-off problems, how do they come together into a seamless, people-led experience? See, because at the end of the day, technology is not the point. The point is about people. People are the point. Technology exists to serve people. Now, business transformation through technology, this is a multi-year process. It unfolds in phases. Typically, every company goes through this. First is around modernization, moving beyond your legacy processes, systems, consolidating all of the data so that you can reason over them at scale and so on. Then comes building of new capabilities, creating shared platforms, new technology stacks, foundational tools to power both core emerging businesses. This is how transformations typically go through. Now, for Walmart, we are very much into the third phase of transformation, what I call as phase 3. In phase 3 is where AI takes center stage. AI is not about bolting artificial intelligence or agents into just a few workflows. It's about really infusing AI into every single thing. From the way customers search for products, to how inventory is managed, to how suppliers collaborate. All of these things can benefit from AI, can be transformed using AI. AI itself has gone through a number of phases. Predictive AI has long actually been part of the modern retailer story, right? We have all built deep learning models, machine learning models around optimizing transportation, enabling substitutions, doing things like personalization. If that was the beginning, Gen AI came along. It opened up new ways to interact, more natural language, more conversational capabilities. Now, we are in this agentic AI world. Agentic AI is a whole new set of capabilities. Systems that can reason, that can take action, that can adapt. Agentic offers the chance for our industry to leapfrog ahead. Now, that leap only matters if the technology serves a full, coherent, consistent experience, not just a patchwork of individual but very clever point solutions. That's the promise of agentic AI. It changes the game by enabling end-to-end orchestration. It's not just about incremental improvement. So, picture a customer walking into a store. Their app that they use, it already anticipates what they need. It guides them to the right shelf. It offers personalized needs. It arranges for delivery for products that actually don't fit into their shopping cart. Or, for example, think about an associate. An associate has got an agentic AI partner, right? It predicts the day's challenges. It reprioritizes work for them. Does everything in real time. Connects them instantly to the resources that they need. This is the promise, right? But here's the key. These moments, whether it is for a customer, whether it is for an associate, they feel truly magical when they start getting connected, not individual pieces. If the AI inside the store, if that can help you and it can speak to the AI that powers your delivery, then there is magic, right? So if the tools that our associates use, they are aligned with the experience that the customers receive, then again there is magic. So the pace to deploy these agentic systems, they have been incredible. But speed without cohesion, without making sure that end-to-end experiences are enabled properly in a consistent way, this can lead to a lot of fragmentation. So, we must ask ourselves, are we building a collection of smart tools? Or are we designing a truly connected system? See, this is the difference between an innovation sprint and a transformation journey. Even with powerful tools, the payoff comes only when people trust the technology, that they understand it, weave it into their daily lives. For this to happen, we must make AI intuitive so that it integrates seamlessly into their work. We must prove its value quickly, solving problems that people feel every day, not some abstract stuff. And we must keep humans in the loop, because at the end of the day, judgment, empathy, context, these are things that AI should support, not replace. Technology alone does not deliver the transformation, people do. It's not about a rollout strategy. This is going to be about a cultural shift. Culture, people, this must lead the code. Now, retail is one of the most complex, data-rich, people-led industries in the world. Every transaction, every decision that you take, every interaction, this is an opportunity to serve customers better. AI, in this context, becomes the force multiplier. It can make that service more personalized, more efficient, more meaningful, but only if it is designed for the full end-to-end experience. And so, we are entering an era where stores and supply chains are living networks, adapting in real time, all through this agentic capabilities. Associates are supported by AI co-pilots that make their work more rewarding, more impactful. Customers enjoy experiences that are so tailored that they feel effortless. Experiences grounded in this trust, transparency, and choice. We are building technology that serves people in ways that are intuitive, connected at every touch point. In this phase of transformation, we have the opportunity to shape not just the future of retail, but the future of human AI collaboration itself. Because this is the place where everything meets in the real world. The work that we do in the next few years will be remembered as the moment where we stopped racing for features, started designing for people. Now, this is an exciting time to be in retail. The entire industry is being transformed. We are obviously a very big part of the shift. This is what Converge is really all about. I hope that you enjoy the program that we have put together for you and are inspired by what is to come. I am certainly excited for the rest of Converge. So thank you very much for being over here.